To other news, what if the security forces plant guns on residents? That question has been of concern to many legal minds the moment the Firearms Act was tabled. Lawmakers at a joint select committee studying the proposed legislation were pressed to give assurances to the public. Dwayne Anderson has the details.
The robust debate that was expected around the new firearms bill unfolded in Gordon House last week as lawmakers examined the proposals for 2 successive days. The bill includes a proposal for a minimum of 15 years in prison for people caught with illegal firearms. However, one lawmaker warned that the proposed penalty carries a level of risk as the security forces still have corrupt members.
There's a very real world out there where not a lot of people know that people plant firearms every day on people.
But the National Security Minister and Committee Chairman, Dr. Horace Chang, sought to assure Jamaicans that the culture of the police force has changed and the officers are more professional.
One of the allegations that was common out there is that an officer could in fact plant a weapon on someone, charge him. And I don't think that charge is now carrying much weight, or the instance of it, alleged incident, is out there in any significant way. Some may say, of course, that where those cases arise was very rarely that they were innocent.
In fact, according to Dr. Chang, the recent raids by the police are proof that the police are more respectful of human rights.
I think the members can express confidence in the approach to the police in dealing with most of these firearm holders. It's of interest to the most recent publication of 88 wanted men. It was done after the evidence was put together. And in the process, so far, of 23 apprehended, only 1 was shot because it was obviously a shootout. He took on the police in an open gun battle.
Marlene Malahoo Fort, whose new appointment is to help drive the government's legislative agenda, asked lawmakers not to send the signal to the country that politicians are divided on the issue of how to treat with people caught with these deadly weapons.
This law is seeking to almost reset the position. We want to do it so justly, but to make it very clear that given the harm that has been done and continues to be done, there can be no demilitarized zone under view of the firearm.
The government has signaled its intention to speedily push through the new firearm legislation as part of its response to the gun crimes in the country. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.